Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo Mem Nurul Akmalia and everyone. We are Group 5.
Let's go!
My name is Delaila Tamiya with student number 202012500881.
Hello, I am Mella Ayuningrum with NPM 2020-12-500-773.
Hi, my name is Dwiky Putra Dermawan with student number 2020-125-00919.
Hi, my name is Intan Nurjannah with student number 2020-125-00761.
My name is Rifyal Zidny Akbar with student number 2020-125-00816.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhamad Fauzi with student number 2020-1250-0757. Hi.
Hello, I'm Muhamad Zidan with student number 2020-125-00882.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Asraf Fadillah with study number 2020-125-00852.
Today we will show you how to use Educandy. Prepare your laptop or phone and your email. First, you need to open educandy.com. Second, go to web educandy.com and click download the application. Click Educator option, or you can go straight to Microsoft Store for Windows 10 and download the application there. For phone user, you can use Google Play Store.
Wait, is it really free?
Yeah, it is really free.
Okay.
After you downloaded Educandy, you should register first. It is simple. Just click this Create a Free Account button. Pick a username and insert your email for login confirmation. Go to your email inbox and find a mail from Educandy. You will find a link inside. Then you click it to confirm your account. Login through the application and tada! You will find yourself a blank canvas of Educandy.
If you want to create a new game, click Create a New Activity. Whoa! Why there is so many kinds of activities? How am I going to remember all of these? It is easy. The basics are pretty much the same. Once you know the functions, you'll get the hang of it in no time.
Okay.
For example, let's try matching pairs. First, we need to create a title for the new activity. Let's name it Part of Speech, Easy Mode. Then I will put English as the subject category. Then I click Create.
Now, we enter the editing section. You can see that there are several options: words, picture, and sound. We are not premium, so we choose words. Then there are two columns to insert your question and the answer or the match. Click Add Text and put your question. Do the same with the answer. Then click Add Pair to save the question. Your question pair will be shown here. Easy, right? Now, let's make more question pairs.
Can I try?
Sure.
Oh no, I made a mistake. What should I do?
You can revise it by clicking Edit Mode, which is the pen symbol right here. It will take you to the targeted question pair and let you edit the mistake. Then click Update Pair. It will be fixed in no time.
When you are finished, you can click this play section to test your game. There are many games in this mode. There are multiple choice, notes, and crosses, crossword, match up, and memory. We will try memory mode. There will be information about the game. Below the information, there is a play button which you can click to play the game.
Inside the game, there will be the time which counts your time to solve the game. Mute button to silence the game sound effect. Information button to see the information and pause your game. Full screen button and reset button to reset all of your answer. Now let's play.
If you want to share the game to other people, you can click the home button and click share. You will be given a code and a link. If you use code, you need to use it on Educandy Play or Educandy website. If you use link, it will be bring you straight to the website to play.
You will see the game information and the game choices for this game mode. I'll show you match up. Match up is easy. All you need is to pair the cards with the answer below. The game buttons also the same, so you don't need to learn another settings besides how the game works on each mode.
Next, we will show you more game choices of this mode. There are multiple choices, which is basically multiple choices picking with scoring based on timer. Then there is crosswords. It is a game where you need to pick the right alphabets below to form the answer. If you make mistake, the alphabets will scrambled and mixed up.
We can move to other game mode, which is words. In order to create one, you just need to do the same as before. Inserting title and subject, click create and add your words. Here, I'm inserting words of adverb of time. I will play one of the game to show you the mechanism. I'm choosing anagrams.
The last game mode is quiz question. It is a game where you need to choose the right answers between 4 multiple choices. Put your right answer on the answer box and the wrong answers on the alternatives box, which has red herring signs. After you're done, test the game by clicking play.
Well, it's easy and fun, right?
Hold up for a second. What about the other games? You haven't shown me all of them.
Those are you to figure out by yourself and to experiment. Aren't you curious of them now?
I think so. But what if I don't like the game that I made?
You can delete your activity by checking the activity box and click this read deleted item.
I see. Thank you guys for the presentation.
So, thank you for joining our presentation today. We hope it can help you to learn English and technology. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.